Hi everyone, and this is Gazelle again with another video on YouTube channel. If you like my previous videos, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also watch this video to the end. These are L'Oreal white crayon eyeliner. We ordered them from a wholesaler, and I have no idea when these people are actually wholesaling why they're not checking things like that. So we ordered a whole loads of these, and then as you can see in this video, almost all of these are damaged or even used. You can't really sell these products on Amazon. You can simply get your shop suspended. And so make sure that when you actually order anything from any wholesaler, before sending them to Amazon FBA centers, check them all inside. Just look at that. It's completely broken inside. So luckily we check them all inside before we send them to Amazon FBA, but it could be a risk, huge risk, if you want to just rely on these wholesalers and then sending these products to Amazon FBA center. See, even this one's used completely. So I checked them all one by one, and then I've realized that most of them are used, either broken or damaged. So we can't really trust some of the wholesalers to send our products to Amazon FBA centers. Okay, I'm just carry on opening more, and see, it's just not even there, completely broken. We're almost to the end, but just wanted to let you know, if you want me to make more videos about how to sell online, Amazon, OnBuy. As I said, I promise you I will make a new video on OnBuy. So just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course if you leave comments, it would definitely support us, our business and everything else. So yeah, thanks for watching. We've got only 2 more, and look, they're all used. Yep, there we go, another 2, and that's it. Really sad, honestly, doing business like this. You can also follow our Instagram page, Scent Garden Cosmetics.